Hey guys, just got done installing my new blend door actuator motor. I want to give a big shout out to Acer 732, I believe, who kind of came up with this block method. Unfortunately, I didn't have a block, but I had a case, and that seemed to do it good enough. So I just put a flashlight on top of it so I kind of see what I was doing back here. So just to let you know, I was able to reinstall two of the screws. Get my phone, I don't know if you can see them back there, but there's a third one which I didn't deem necessary to install because, well, it was just such a pain in the ass to get to. I just ended up snapping it off, and once I had it off, I just removed it with an 8mm ratcheting socket. But that is your blend door actuator. So I didn't see how it was possible to do this without pulling this out. So that was critical in the success of this repair for me doing it in my garage. One of the things I had to do was obviously unbolt the dash. You can see it there. On the other side, I loosened it, but did not completely take it off. And there's also a bolt down here, which I did remove. Once you did that, you could definitely pry it out a little bit at a time, enough to where I could wedge that case and that flashlight, which greatly helped. So I'll kind of go over the tools I used to make this a success. I did have a quarter drive air ratchet that I tried to use, but just didn't seem to get the job done because of the hose. Not saying you couldn't use that, but the driver with a 1/4 inch extension and the electric Husky 3/8 inch electric ratchet, which my wife got me for Christmas last year, came in really damn handy. Lowe's or Home Depot, if you're listening to this, it would sure be helpful if you come out with a 1/4 inch drive, one of these. So something to be a little bit less clunky to have to get into, but for those of y'all watching the video, that was a very big help. And then an 8mm ratcheting wrench, so I get that third one I just broke off the clip on. So you know, if if you're seeing this, you probably got an idea of what it takes to do this job. There's several other YouTube videos out there that go over this, so I'm not going to be redundant, but I just kind of combined some tools I had that maybe a lot of other people don't, but it sure made it a lot easier if you had those to complete this than if you don't. So I probably saved myself here close to $1,000, if not more, because who knows what the Ford manual says to do. But again, just repeated a lot of the other options. Took off the airbag, glove box, trim piece right here. And I'll be going back and reassembling and reinstalling. I mean, you see a lot of the stuff that I pulled off right here. Here's the airbag, glove box, vent ducting, I guess. And here's the trim piece. And here's the piece that'll give me access to those 3 screws that I was able to get off with a flat blade screwdriver. Started on the passenger side, seemed like I was going to break something, started on the driver's side, propped it up, disconnected the flashing light right here. But in a nutshell, that's how I was able to get the job done with looking at other YouTube videos. So hope this helps, and if you're doing this, guys, good luck. I wish you the best.